Everyone thinks the best-selling touchless foam soap dispenser is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ipfin Touchless Foam Dispenser White. Let's kick things off with the Ipfin Touchless Foam Dispenser in white. Priced at $16.79, this one caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want an easy, hands-free soap dispensing experience, this is worth a serious look. This dispenser is all about convenience. You get 4 adjustable output levels, which lets you customize how much soap you want dispensed, perfect for kids or busy households. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It helps reduce soap waste and ensures everyone gets just the right amount. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts up to 3 months on a full charge, making frequent charging a non-issue. Now, some people complain that the sensor is overly sensitive, causing it to dispense when you're just passing by. Here's the thing though, if you're careful about placement, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, hands-free solution for your kitchen or bathroom. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional pump style. For its price, it offers good value for a touchless dispenser. Now, if that sensitivity issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ipfin Touchless Foam Dispenser Black. Next, we have the Ipfin Touchless Foam Dispenser in black, also priced at $16.79. It shares many features with its white counterpart, but the sleek black finish gives it a modern twist. If you want style without sacrificing functionality, this is a solid choice. Much like the white model, this dispenser features that handy self-sensing technology. What stands out is the ability to adjust the soap output, allowing you to control the amount dispensed, which reduces waste and can be a lifesaver in high-traffic areas. The USB rechargeable battery also ensures you won't be swapping batteries constantly. After a full charge, you can expect it to last for about 3 months, which I think is impressive. However, a few users noted that the soap reservoir can be tricky to refill. Honestly, it's not a huge hassle, but if you're someone who hates dealing with refills, this might be annoying. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant touchless solution for your home. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward, no-frills design. For the price, it offers great functionality and style. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more control over their soap dispensing. Product number 3, Sheftic Automatic Foaming Dispenser. Now let's check out the Sheftic Automatic Foaming Dispenser, priced at $18.99. This one really caught my attention with its HD digital display. If you want precise control and monitoring, this might just be the one for you. The standout feature is the digital display that shows the current foam level and battery status. No more guesswork. Plus, it has 6 foam output settings from gentle to generous, making it suitable for different situations. The infrared sensor dispenses soap in just 0.25 seconds, meaning you won't be waiting around after washing your hands. With a 1200 mAh battery, it can handle about 5,000 uses on a single charge, which is crazy impressive. Now, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially without drilling. Honestly, if you're comfortable with DIY, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, but it's worth noting. This is perfect for you if you want a smart, stylish dispenser that keeps you informed. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler. The extra features definitely justify the price. Alright, if you're looking for something a bit more compact, the next product might fit your needs perfectly. Product number 4, OHIFASD Automatic Foaming Dispenser. Next up is the OHIFASD Automatic Foaming Dispenser, priced at $15.99. I love the white design, and it's packed with features that really cater to convenience. If you want something efficient without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. This dispenser features an infrared sensor that detects your hand from a distance and delivers soap in just 0.25 seconds. It also has 6 adjustable soap levels, which means you can customize how much soap you want to get each time. The USB Type-C charging port is a nice touch, and it can operate up to 5,000 cycles on a single charge, which is pretty fantastic. However, a few users found that it could accidentally dispense if brushed lightly. I'll be real with you, this could annoy some, but if you're careful about placement, it shouldn't cause too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, touchless option for your home or office. Skip this if you want something with more premium features. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more stylish with modern aesthetics, stay tuned for the last product on our list. Product number 5, pH Neems Automatic Foam Dispenser. Finally, we have the pH Neems Automatic Foam Dispenser, priced at $19.99. This one stands out with its modern ribbed design and matte finish. If you care about aesthetics as much as function, this might be your best bet. This dispenser instantly dispenses foam in just 0.25 seconds, making it perfect for quick hand washing. It features a large capacity of 260 ml and a USB-C charger that lasts for over 100 days on a full charge, which is pretty incredible for an automatic model. The easy fill reservoir means you won't be struggling to refill it, which is always a plus. However, some users reported that the foam can sometimes be a bit too thick. Here's the thing though, if you prefer rich foam, this might be a bonus rather than a flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional dispenser for your home or restaurant. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact. It offers great value and looks fantastic. Alright, there you have it. Each of these options has its strengths, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. To wrap things up, we've covered 5 great touchless foam soap dispensers. The Ipfin models in white and black, the Cheftic with its digital display, the OHIFASD for affordability, and finally the stylish pH Neems dispenser. No matter your preference or budget, there's something here for everyone. Make your choice and enjoy a cleaner, more convenient experience.